This is a short demonstration of how to change the disposal bag safely and properly from the disposal port of the ventilated balance enclosure, or VBE. Before starting the procedure, make sure that the new disposal bag is appropriate for the VBE. Ensure that the system is turned on to provide airflow and prevent contamination during the bag change. For operator protection, wear the appropriate PPE for your application prior to entering the area where the VBE is located. Change of disposal bag procedure. Before safely changing the disposal bag, ensure that the VBE is still in standby mode with the blower remaining on. This prevents any contaminated particles from old disposal bags escaping out of the VBE through open sash. The VBE has an inward flow from the open sash and will be drawn towards the exhaust filter. The disposal port of your VBE is equipped with 2 O-rings. O-ring 1 is located far from the VBE unit, while O-ring 2 is the one nearest to the VBE. These O-rings play a crucial role in maintaining a secure seal and preventing any leaks or possible contamination. Start by carefully removing O-ring 1 from its position, away from the old disposal bag. Place the new disposal bag over the old bag, ensuring that it completely covers the old one. To create a seal, secure the new disposal bag in position by placing O-ring 2 around both bags. Carefully pull off the old disposal bag from the port. Do not touch this portion. Keep the new disposal bag positioned under O-ring 2. It is important to ensure that O-ring 2 remains securely in place on the port. Next, place O-ring 1 back into its original position on the port. This will secure both the new and old disposal bags together, maintaining a proper seal. Slowly and carefully, pull the old disposal bag towards the end of the new disposal bag. Once done, you can use zip ties, tape, or a thermosealer to seal off a portion of the bag, ensuring no contents can escape during bag removal. With the sealed section isolated, you can now safely cut the bag between the seals. This will fully separate the dirty disposal bag, allowing proper and safe disposal. Remember to leave half of the bag at the port to prevent sudden pressure changes. Finally, turn off the unit before removing the bag. After completing these steps, ensure that the new disposal bag is properly secured and sealed. Follow any additional instructions or recommendations by your local regulations for optimal safety and efficiency. Visit www.escopharma.com for more information.